being used or not, it still melts like ice. Days pass without us realizing, leaving traces that fade away. We chase what we don't understand, until we forget who we are in the noise of a crowded world. The heart stays empty inside. Time never waits for us, seconds fall one by one. What's gone will never return, leaving only fragments of time. Oh, life keeps moving on, not caring if we are ready. It melts away in silence, without a sound, without a sign. If today slips away, tomorrow is never guaranteed. Don't let life just pass by without meaning, without soul. Some are young but empty, some are old but full of light. It's not numbers that define us, but what we truly feel inside. Small steps that hold meaning are greater than big dreams. Rather than waiting for perfection, better to start right now. Time knows no excuses, it doesn't care who we are. It keeps moving forward, never once turning back. Oh, life keeps moving on, not caring if we are ready. It melts away in silence, without a sound, without a sign. If today slips away, tomorrow is never guaranteed. Don't let life just pass by without meaning, without When one day we come to a stop, what will remain in our hearts? Did we truly live our lives, or were we only waiting? Don't wait until time runs out just to start appreciating, because time will never repeat, not even a single drop. Oh, life keeps moving on, now I finally understand. Every passing moment is a trust that we've been given. I won't let it disappear without direction, without meaning. I will fill every space with a life that is true. Life melts slowly away like water in our hands. If not guarded from the start, it's lost before it's remembered.